I've renamed my whiteboard now from battery stuff to PHEV data center, PDC. And also I've extended my data already on a piece of paper because I'm running out of space. And guys, we still have this whiteboard problem here. It's totally full, and I have attached some paper notes over there already to expand the memory of it. Just not a good solution, and I need all this data still, so I can't really put any new stuff on this whiteboard now. So yeah, but you know, on the positive side, a work colleague gave me this little whiteboard he doesn't need anymore, and that is pretty cool. It has already some formula stuff, whatever, on there. I can't wipe away these lemons though. And this beautiful whiteboard also comes with these magnet strips at the back, so it will just attach to any metal surface, which is great. So we can attach it over here, even over here, or down here. Can be even like this. So thank you, Joel, for this awesome whiteboard. And I don't want to attach it fixed to the roof, to the wall. I like these magnet strips actually here, so to stay flexible, so I can take the whiteboard everywhere, even in the car. That totally suits my needs. So if someone wants to donate some whiteboards to me, please get in contact with me. I'm in desperate need. I'm happy to take large whiteboards or even smaller ones. If you would like to help to expand the memory of the PHEV data center, PDC, please donate your whiteboard today. Your used whiteboard will be in good hands. And it doesn't matter if it's square or rectangle or round. I'm not sure if there are round whiteboards available. Please donate today.